What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find hidden apps on any iPhone. Sometimes you might want to keep certain apps out of sight and later you may need to access them quickly. To open a hidden app, start by going to your home screen. Swipe left past all of your home screen pages until you reach the app library. Once you're in the app library, look for a folder labeled Hidden at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the hidden folder and you'll be prompted to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Once you've authenticated, the hidden apps will appear and you can open them and use them just like any other app on your device. If you don't see the hidden app folder in your app library, it might be because your iPhone software is not updated to the latest version that supports this feature. In that case, open the Settings app, go to General, and then tap on Software Update to download and install the latest available update. Now, if you want to hide an app, the process is just as straightforward. First, locate the app that you want to hide on your home screen. Touch and hold the app icon until the Quick Actions menu appears. From the menu, tap on the option labeled Require Face ID or Touch ID or Passcode depending on your settings. And then, tap on Hide and Require Face ID and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or Passcode. Once you've confirmed your choice, tap Hide App and that app will be moved to the hidden folder in your app library. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.